Hyundai Genesis Coupe, 4-cylinder turbo, I think. What we got done on it, something really different, really clean. Well, it's got a primary converter up there, then a secondary converter there with 2.5-inch pipe all the way through, and then we added that, continued that 2.5-inch pipe. We cut all that off, that resonator and muffler, that huge muffler there, and put a 3-inch to 2.5-inch Y pipe. Then we did 2.25 tailpipes, custom bent all the way back into blast pipes. There and there. They're made by Megan Exhaust. There and there. That's how you get it done, boys and girls. Nice gold outlet, quad tips. There and there. Out the back. He didn't want them to stick out too much, so we made them really clean for him. You can stick this out even more. But we said, nah, it'll hit his feet and stuff. He uses the back of it. So we just did it like that. Came out really pretty. Really beautiful. And there's everything we cut off right there. There's the resonator, and there's the muffler. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2008 Hyundai Genesis. Straight pipe all the way back. Blast pipes, quads. That sounds good. Again. There's sound decibels. 107. Nice and deep. All right, boss, rev it. Oh, it's nuts. That's a cold start too, guys. Enjoy it, man. Thank you. Here's your receipt too. Have a good one. Blast pipes. Sounds really good. Nice.